is Sheila Launcher. His favorite website is hassle-freecashflowinvesting.com.
Okay, so when you're comparing apples to apples, it's super important that you don't just take money divided by money equals ROI, because that's not going to get you the right thing. Realize that at hassle-free cash flow investing, you've got to account for the investment of time or the lack thereof. So if you can make $1 profit with no time invested, or $1 profit with the 10 hours invested, obviously it's better to make that same $1 profit with no time invested. One of the basic concepts of hassle-free cash flow investing is getting higher returns with less invested. And that's a very important concept when it applies to looking for turnkey product or looking for a product on your own, okay? And so if you're the kind of person who likes scouring the MLS and working with sellers directly and negotiating and haggling and driving around neighborhoods and looking for that unmowed lawn and searching track records to see who that person is and calling them on the phone and finding that needle in the haystack deal, probably hassle-free cash flow investing is not for you. If you're a busy working professional who's making good money at their job, you've got a family, you've got other things that you want to do, and real estate is just a vehicle to get you where you want to go, then hassle-free cash flow investing could be for you. And it's very important to realize that real estate is just a vehicle for getting you the lifestyle that you want. You don't want the money, you don't want the property or the toilets or the bedrooms or the roofs. What you want is the passive income that allows you the freedom of time to do the things that you want to do. And so how do we get to that passive income? There's a scale here of where you want to go. So this is where you want to go, and here's where you are, right? And somewhere along this time frame is strategies and tactics, right? So here's tactics over here and strategies, and they're kind of in the middle for getting you from where you are to where you want to go. So many times people focus right on the tactics, and they're saying, well, I really want to buy duplexes, or I really want to buy greenhouses or blue houses or red hotels or whatever it is that you want to buy. You're focused here, and that's a mistake. What you should really focus on is where you want to go, where you are, and then to connect these dots, bring in a team, right? A team that helps you with strategies. And then the strategies result in tactics, right? So start with where you are, figure out where you want to go, and then the strategy and tactics will become self-evident. So when you're figuring out where you are, this is really what we call the assessment of your 8 essential resources. And there's a whole video series dedicated to your 8 essential resources, but let's just break them out really quick because it's super important. If something's important, we're going to talk about it multiple times. So on your 8 essential resources, we've got cash, we have cash flow, we have credit and credibility. Those are kind of similar, but kind of not. We've got your equity, all right? And these are what we call the above-the-line resources because they're pretty tactile. You can turn them into liquidity very quickly. They're the most common things people are working with. Also, below the line is how you can make even more money or amplify the returns on your cash flow, equity, and credit. And that's going to be time, your talent, your relationships, and your control of a deal, right? This is how you can make money. At Hassle-Free Cash Flow Investing, we're helping you enhance your 8 essential resources. So by leveraging our team, you're getting more time. By using our control of deal flow, that's a resource for you. By you having a relationship with our team, that's a resource for you. By having the talents of our team, that's an asset for you. And so you could spend years developing your time, talent, relationships, and control of deal flow, or you can just shortcut right to where you want to go by adopting our time, talent, relationships, and control of deals. So we've got a whole team with decades of experience finding deals that fit our hassle-free cash flow philosophy. And so the investment properties and opportunities that you see on our website are specifically crafted because they fit the paradigm of what hassle-free cash flow investing is, and it's a big shortcut for you. You don't have to go look through the needle in the haystack of thousands of properties to find the 10 that you want to write offers on to get the one, right? What we're doing is shortcutting the process, finding the properties that fit the formula. We control them. You can make an offer on them, and our program is set up that we don't get into multiple offer bidding situations. The price is the price, and we have the inventory, and if you want it, you can have it. And that's a huge time saver for our clients. And remember, the less you have invested, the higher the returns are. So your cash is what it is, your cash flow is what it is, your credit is what it is, and your equity is what it is. But we can also help you enhance these by offering you some proprietary sources of financing to help you get higher leverage, and we'll talk about that in a minute. We can also give you our knowledge and our strategies onto it, how to enhance your credit and how to enhance your equity, or how to harvest equity that is idle. So if you've got idle cash in a piece of property or in some other resource that's not working for you, if you've got equity that's not producing cash flow, we can help you strategize on how to optimize that equity to get it working for you.
Help me go to hasslefreecashflowinvesting.com.